If you're looking for power banks that are easy to carry, travel friendly, and have a good amount of power without breaking the bank, the AsperX 10000 mAh 2-pack power banks are a very good choice. So in this video, I'll be testing these power banks. I'm gonna show you what comes in their box. I'm also gonna be weighing them and I'm gonna be measuring them. So let me start first by showing you what comes in their box. So what you get in the box are the two power banks, two charging cables USB-A to USB-C that are short, and an instruction manual. Now let's measure it. So its length is 5.4 inches and its width is 2.5 inches and its thickness is 0.5 inches. So let me weigh it now, and it is 215 grams. For the ports of this power bank, they are all on this side. So there is the USB-C port that is input and output. It's not a PD port, and its maximum input or output is 5 volts 2.0 amps. And you have underneath it a micro USB port, and it is used only to charge the power bank, and its maximum input is 5 volts 2 amp. And this is a little bit weird to have a micro USB port in this day and age. And you have these two output USB-A ports that have 5 volts 2.4 amp as maximum output. For the controls of this power bank, you have this button here, and it is used to see how much charge there is in the power bank. You have 4 LED lights, and now this power bank is charged to 100%. And this button is also used to start the power bank in case it doesn't start to charge automatically. The test I'll be doing now is to see how much wattage can this power bank provide if we connect the USB-C port, and then if I connect also my iPhone and my headphones at the same time, and we're gonna see the variation of the wattage. So keep your eyes here because there's a watt meter here. I'm gonna start by connecting only my tablet on the USB-C port. So let me connect it, and let's see the wattage here. So it is providing 10 watts, which means 5 volts times 2, it means 2 amps, and this is correct. And now I'm gonna connect my iPhone, and we're gonna see when I connect the iPhone to the power bank, the wattage, how it will change. And now the iPhone is charging too. So the wattage went down to 4 watts. It means now it is providing 1 amp only to the tablet, and it means it is dividing the amperage. So let me connect now my headphones. So I connected my headphones now, and the wattage went down to 3 watts only. So it is less than 1 amp. So now it is dividing the power between these two devices. So it is true that it can simultaneously charge all the devices, but it divides the amperage, which is the 2.4 amps. So the charging will be slower. The test that I'll be doing now is charging my iPhone 12 Pro Max from 20% to 80% with a fully charged power bank. And we're gonna time it, and at the end of the test, I'm gonna also see how much power will be left in the power bank. So this is the power bank. I'm gonna start it, and the charging started. So after 1 hour and 21 minutes, the power bank was able to charge the iPhone from 20% to 80%. And the LED lights didn't move, and this is of course inaccurate. So I'm gonna disconnect the power bank and wait for the LED lights to turn off, and then we're gonna see how much charge is left in them. So now the LED lights turned off. Let's see the charging remaining. So it says that it still have between 50% and 75%, and I estimate that it has still a little bit more than 50% charging power. Now let me tell you what I like and what I don't like in these power banks from AsperX. What I like about them is that they are affordable, and also they look good. They are slim and they are lightweight, and you can take them when you travel. Now what I don't like about them is that they have limited capacity, but I understand this because they are light and they are slim. But also what I don't like about them is also that they use a micro USB port still, which is a little bit weird, and they have limited power. So the USB-A outputs are not QC 3.0, and they are limited to 5 volts 2.4 amps only, and the USB-C output is limited to 5 volts 2 amp only, and it doesn't have PD charging power. Now, if you want to check them out, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage, and this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.